Hi guys, if you're aiming to get into the top B schools of India, then CAT is one of your best gateways. After getting a 99.45 percentile in CAT, here is everything that I learned about the process. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what is CAT? CAT, or the Common Admission Test, is one of the most competitive MBA entrance exams in India. This exam is conducted once every year by one of the IIMs on a rotational basis. This year, most probably IIM Kozhikode is expected to conduct this exam. Now let's talk about which all colleges accept CAT. All the 21 IIMs across India accept CAT, apart from the IIMs, FMS Delhi, SPJ in Mumbai, IFT, MBI Gurgaon, all the IITs which offer an MBA degree, as well as IMT Ghaziabad and many other top tier private and government institutes accept CAT. So basically, if you're targeting a top MBA college in India, then CAT is unavoidable. If you talk about the CAT timeline, then the registrations would start in between August and September. Admit cards would be out in October, and the exam would be conducted on the last Sunday of November, which is 30th of November 2025. The registration fees for general category would be around 2,400 rupees, and for reserved categories would be around 1,400 rupees. Let's talk about the CAT exam pattern. The paper is divided into three sections. First, VARC, or Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension. Time limit 40 minutes, number of questions 24. ये सेक्शन टेस्ट करता है आपकी रीडिंग स्पीड और अंडरस्टैंडिंग को. Unlike other international exams like GRE or GMAT, a brilliant command over vocabulary is not very important here. Focus is majorly on reading comprehensions, which would have 16 questions affiliated to it. Rest of the 8 questions would be of para-jumbles, odd sentence out, or para-summary. And there are a couple more patterns as well. The skills required would be speed, accuracy, and comprehension for this particular section. The second section is DILR, Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning. Time limit 40 minutes, number of questions 20. This is often considered the deal breaker section of CAT. इसमें आते हैं caselets, based puzzles, tables, graphs, charts, and logical sets. In the recent trend, these sets have evolved into a mix of couple of these concepts put together. The key skills required would be pattern recognition, data handling under pressure, and also logical flow and smart approximations. The last section, which is QA, quantitative aptitude, the time limit is 40 minutes again, number of questions 22. This section checks your conceptual clarity from class 6th to class 10th math, but the only twist is speed and smart application. Important topics would be arithmetic, which has further topics like percentage, ratio, time, speed, distance, and many more. Then comes algebra, then geometry, then modern maths, which has topics like PNC and probability, and then finally number systems. A strong grip on basics and regular practice is what helps you survive here. Now let's talk about the marking scheme. So for every correct answer, you get 3 plus marks. For every wrong answer, 1 mark is deducted, but this is only for the MCQ type questions. For Theta type questions, which means type in the answer, there is no negative marking whatsoever. So अगर आपका Theta वाला question का exact answer भी नहीं आता है, तो भी attempt करना चाहिए, because there's nothing to lose there. Simple logic है. Reward is high, risk is low, so always go for it. Final notes, CAT is not just a test of knowledge, it's a test of patience, time management, and consistency. In the upcoming videos, I'll be covering how to prepare for each section in detail, how to build a preparation strategy, and also how to handle mocks, which are the most important part of CAT. Before I leave, I have also uploaded one short film that we had made in college, so if you have some time, then do give it a watch. So I'll see you around. All the best for your preparation. Adios.